Hey everyone, welcome to this video. Today we're going to learn how to enable the Google Text-to-Speech (TTS) API. But first, let's quickly understand what it is. Google TTS API allows you to convert text into high-quality, natural-sounding speech. It offers a variety of voices, languages, and even allows for some level of customization. Best of all, there's a free usage tier. You can explore the API and experiment with its capabilities before committing to any paid plans. So let's get started and learn how to enable this powerful tool. First, go to the Google Cloud Console. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. It's free and comes with some trial credits once you're logged in. Click on the drop-down menu at the top to create or select a project. Click New Project and give your project a name. For example, you can call it My TTS Project. Then, click Create. Go to the created project by clicking on the Select Project link displayed after the project is created. Next, we need to enable the Google API that we want to use. From the left-hand menu, go to APIs and Services and click on Library. Click on Enable API and Services. In the search bar, type Text-to-Speech API and press Enter. Select it from the results, then click Enable. If you haven't set up billing for your Google Cloud account yet, you'll need to do that now. After billing is enabled on the account, you can click on the Manage button to set up the credentials. Now it's time to create your API key. Go to Credentials from the left-hand menu and click Create Credentials. From the drop-down menu, select API Key. Your API key will be generated instantly. Copy it using the button provided. This is the key you'll use to connect your application to Google's APIs. One important step is securing your API key to avoid misuse. Click on Edit API Key to set restrictions. You can restrict it by specific APIs, IP addresses, or refer URLs depending on your needs. If IP address is not dynamic, you can use your IPv4 address from websites like What is My IP Address to restrict access to your Google Text-to-Speech API credentials. Once you've set the restrictions, click Save. Now your API key is ready to use. Make sure to test it in your application to ensure everything is working as expected. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.